I Spy is a game that we can play with children age 2 and upwards. It's one of those games that is played around the world, and you might know it in other languages too. We share it in our toolbox for multilingual families, where we add some twists to it. This game is a fun way to build observation skills, vocabulary, and phonemic awareness in any language. And you don't need to prepare for it. Here's how it works. One person picks something they can see around them and says, I spy with my little eye something that is red, for example. And the players look around to name all kind of red objects until a player finds the right one. And it's this player's turn then to choose the next object. This game is great for long car rides. You can say things like, I spy with my little eye a white car that is, and then players have to name the different cars, or a car that comes from the Netherlands, and then the players need to find the right number plate, and so forth. With children who can name sounds, we can say, I spy with my little eye something that starts with f, and then the solution could be flowers, for example. Or focus on the ending sounds. I spy with my little eye something that ends with n, and it could be a van. To make it more challenging, we can play also with rhymes. I spy with my little eye something that rhymes with fox, and maybe it's socks. Or we can focus on colors, shapes, or textures. Here are some more tips to make it more engaging. So we can use different family languages for each turn to boost multilingual vocabulary. So we can start with Italian, continue with English, finish with German. Make sure that you use only the languages that every player is actually familiar with or fluent in, at least understanding. Keep the clues simple for younger children and make them trickier for older ones. You can also encourage creativity and teamwork by taking turns or by forming teams. I Spy is a timeless game that's perfect for multilingual families. It's easy to play anywhere, and it turns learning into an adventure. Let us know in the comments how and with what languages you play this game, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with other multilingual families.